So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add search option to your Wix website. So first of all, type elfsight.com into your browser and come on widgets. In widgets, you'll see tools, and in tools you'll see search option. Click on it. After that, go to create widget. And now here you can see guys, here is the templates. You can choose however you like. And after choosing your favorite template, click on continue with this template. And as you can see, you can also customize your template. After finishing it, click on add to website. And now you just have to sign up your Elfsight account. After signing up, you will come onto this page and now click on save. And now choose this subscription. And now click on this code to copy it and come to your editor.wix.com. And here you just have to go for add elements, and in the embed code section you'll go for embed HTML. Now just paste your code here and click on update. And as you can see guys, my search section is here and I can use into my website. So if you like this video interesting and helpful to yourself, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.